Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the coins within the Temple Run 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Temple Run 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. Now from here, you can change the skin of your coin that you receive within the game. Now even though the coin indicator within your homepage, which shows the total number of coins that you own, is always the same, you can tap on the maps button at the bottom left corner where you will see the coin skins option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can choose from the various different skins that are available for your coin. Just choose whichever skin or appearance you wish to set for your coin, and then you can go back and start your game, and you will now notice that the coins will be placed within the design that you just selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the coin skins within the Temple Run 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.